We're closed now.
Dad?
You're late.
I was waiting at the station.
I got busy here. Andy, this is Bill.
Remember me?
Close up for me, Carl.
Well, he's not changed a bit, has he? It'd be so great, right?
What?
To work for yourself. I know. Just for fun. I mean, how much would it actually cost? Like 10,000?
50.
All right. 50,000. Nothing good ever came easy, did it?
You're wasting your time, son.
I've got time, Dad.
Yeah?
So my dad is a very highly skilled barber. So the idea is to use those skills in our own business. And we estimate that we could pay that back within 5 years. So what do you think?
I should take this.
What are you doing?
May I present to you obviously, it's not finished yet. I still need to get rid of some of these, and this all needs clearing up as well. And there are a lot of spiders. Yeah. Leaflets, right? Any minute now.
Excuse me. Are you open?
Yes, we are.
Yeah?
Barbershop now looks pretty good at the barbershop.
Next.
Morning, Andy. You fancy a haircut?
Make it quick.
So, what now then?
Oh, go on then. Not a gold, eh?
I think I'll have a bowl cut, please.
Not a bleeding chance.